everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Charmaine Barnaby. I am a certified public accountant and I am the owner of CB Financial Limited, located here in Abaco, Bahamas. Now, today's topic is about how do assets really put money in your pocket? And if you looked at the thumbnail for this video today and the title to this video today, you will see how I'm going to reference the book Rich Dad Poor Dad and really how I understood or got this revelation from the book on how an asset really puts money in your pocket. Because even as an accountant, I knew what an asset was pretty much from the textbook version. But listening to Robert Kiyosaki and reading his books, it gave me a clearer understanding of what an asset really is. So, first of all, an asset in the traditional sense or in the accounting sense, an asset is defined as anything that you own that brings you a future financial benefit or a future economic benefit. So, let's say when it comes to a car, a house, equipment, furniture, and so forth, we class these things as assets. That is what the banks tell us, that is what the financial institutions tell us. If we have a house, that's an asset. If we have a car, that's an asset. But Robert Kiyosaki in his books, he simplified the definition further and clarified it further to explain that an asset is something that puts money in your pocket. Now, his definition and the typical accounting definition is pretty much the same, but we're taught of what an asset is. We're only taught the half truth of it. We're only taught that an asset is what you own, but we're not taught that an asset is something that's supposed to put money in your pocket. So let's use a car for an example. And let's say you bought your car, you took $10,000 of your money and you bought a vehicle. And traditionally, that's the banks and or whomever you would talk to, they would say your car is your asset because you own it and you bought it. But really, it can only be an asset if it's adding extra money to your pocket. So if you got your car, pay $10,000 for it, but if you're renting it out to other customers for service or for whatever, for whatever it may be, and let's say you rent it out and you earn back $20,000 on renting it, that vehicle is now an asset to you because it just added extra money to your pocket. That $20,000 gave you back your 10,000 that you paid for it, and it profited you an extra $10,000 in your bank account. Or even with a house, your house, like Kiyosaki, he loves to emphatically say that a house is not an asset. Your house is can only be an asset if it's adding extra money to your pocket. So we call our houses an asset because we get a mortgage for it, and we have title to it. We have the benefit of having it or so-called owning it. I say own in quotes, and we call a house an asset, but it can only be an asset if you're actually using the house, selling it as a service or renting it out as a service and earning extra money from it. So if you're paying a mortgage of $2,000 a month, but you're renting out the house, let's say in an Airbnb or to other type of rentals and earning back $3,000 a month, then your house is a real asset to you. That 3,000 is paying back the $2,000 that you paid in the mortgage, paying in the mortgage, and it's profiting you an extra $1,000 in your pocket. So when it comes to an asset, just understand that a real asset puts money in your pocket. It's not something that you own and then you can say that it's gonna go up in value someday. So therefore, it's an asset. There's a time and a place for those types of situations to happen where you could have a house, hold on to it, and then sell it for so much money in the future. But a real asset grows your wealth. A real asset adds extra cash in your bank account. And one thing I like to say is if it's not earning you extra income, then it's not a real asset to you. If even if you have a business and it's not earning you extra income, then it's not a real asset to you. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And also, please subscribe to my channel if you want to listen to more content about this and about finance in general, because my video is about helping you to understand the basic fundamentals of money and of finance. Because finance and wealth creation is such a big topic, and I would say a mysterious topic. But one thing I know for sure is if you know the basic fundamentals of finance and about money, then you can make money for yourself. And anybody can make extra money for themselves, no matter who it is and no matter what they do. So feel free to subscribe to my channel, and also feel free to visit my newest website, www.cbf-solutions.com. And thanks again for tuning in. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.